Pepperfry आपका और हमारा वन स्टॉप डेस्टिनेशन है for furniture and home decor needs, is no longer in the line of achieving steady growth. जी हाँ, as per the recent news, the company appointed an investment banker to find a buyer during flatline sales and consistent losses. Over the past few years, the stagnant revenue growth with Pepperfry's losses remaining relatively stable and hovering around 180 to 190 crores in FY23 have all made the investors question its survival during rising competition. Despite the average marginal revenue growth of FY23 at Rs 272.3 crores compared to Rs 247 crores in FY22, we all know this isn't a desirable outcome the investors are looking for. Not to mention, with slowed up discretionary spending and the company trying to shift gears to achieve steady growth, it all just led the organization towards a subdued performance. So what do you think Pepperfry could have done differently? An IPO, we suggest. Going public can help private companies realize their full potential in the future. Do you know the fate made by Pepperfry would have been different had the company raised capital through IPO or it had gone public? Access to funds. Launching an IPO helps companies get access to interest-free and mortgage-free capital by selling shares to the public. This capital infusion can be instrumental in financing various strategies. These include business expansion plan, investing in research and development, lowering debt burdens, or seizing new market opportunities. Enhanced visibility and credibility. Another potential advantage of going public is increased brand awareness. IPOs generally help companies become more popular, ultimately resulting in making the company's product known to a wider group of potential customers. This can also result in increasing the company's market share. We at India IPO help companies struggling with their financial to raise interest-free and mortgage-free capital from the market. India IPO can be your lifetime partner in success. Follow us on our social media and get more informative and interesting videos to increase your financial awareness.